Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making fufu, and we're gonna do the half cassava and 2 plantains. So I'm gonna peel the cassava and peel the plantains, and then I'll be back to show you what we do next. So here you go. Peel cassava. This cassava is so good. I got it at Giant. It's perfect. And then you're gonna open it up. You have some stems in here, so you're gonna take your stem out very nicely. Okay, and then we're gonna cut this into little pieces. You see a little bit of stem left, so we're gonna take all that stem out. Yeah, this is what we want to take out. So we're gonna cut it into pieces. Then we're gonna peel our plantains. Move this to the side. You do a little line, and then you use your hands to help you. So we're gonna cut this up into little pieces, and then we'll put them in the blender. So there it is, cut beautifully. We're going to wash it and then put it in the blender. So it's in the blender. Your water should not be more than your plantain and your cassava. So this is where my plantain and cassava is, and my water is right there. Okay, so don't let it be too much water. Don't let it go over, otherwise your fufu will not turn out right. So I'm gonna blend this and we'll put it in the microwave. So there it is. It has blended smoothly, very smooth. Make sure it's very smooth. Fickle. Now we're gonna put it in the microwave. We're gonna put it for a total of 15 minutes, but we're gonna do 5 minutes increments. So we put it in 5 minutes, we take it out, we turn it, put it in for another 5 minutes, take it out, turn it, and put it in for the final 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes, and just took it out. I'm going to just mix it up again, and then I'm gonna put it back in for another 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. Take it out of the microwave and turn it, put it in for another 5 minutes. Yep, so that's it. Your fufu is done. Go ahead and turn it a couple of times, and then you'll be ready to section it off. So here's how you section your fufu into small individual balls for your family to eat. So if you have this tapoli or grinder, you can use it. If you don't have a grinder like this one, you could just use your hand to flip it and put it in the middle like I'm doing, and it will be good as well. Okay, so if you don't have the little grinder, that's okay. Use your hands to just bring it in, and then just put it in your bowl. Okay, all right. So that's it, your fufu and your peanut soup. I thank you for watching. Till I see you next time, bon appetit.